Hello guys, so welcome to this video. Oh, you are there. Welcome to this video. Now in this video I'm going to talk about the cheapest and best domain name registrar in this year. Like, yes, we're going to talk about the cheapest and best domain registrar. Now before we get started, hi, don't forget to hit that subscribe button first of all, like this video, share this video, and comment if you have any issue at the end of this video. Now don't forget to do the subscribing part and liking the video before we continue. Right, have you done that? 1 minute for you to do that. Well, we don't have 1 minute. All right, so please hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. Let's talk about it. What is the cheapest and most reliable and best domain name registrar we could find in the world today? Well, for this, we're going to break it into different parts. We're going to break it into different parts. Now, before you consider one hosting or one domain registrar as the best, you have to look into the domain extension you are buying, right? So if you're going to be looking into the domain extension you're buying, because different domain extensions have different price attached. So if you're going to be looking at the domain name extension you're buying, then we have to start from the .com. So which is the cheapest .com domain name registrar in the world right now? So number one on my list, you have Namecheap. Namecheap is actually one of the cheapest domain name registrar in the world as of today. Now, please note this: I'm not labeling them by any order. I just feel to name them randomly. I don't know what your says, but these are hosting providers or domain providers I actually bought domain from and how cheap they are. That's how I make mention of my own. So for the number one on my list is Namecheap. Namecheap is actually reliable, and for first time domain, your price is actually cheap. Right? Yes, very cheap. You could see a domain for as low as $0.99. Yes, you could see a domain for as low as $0.99. And number two is Cloudflare. Cloudflare is cheap and reliable. A lot of us use Cloudflare for just SSL. We don't know that Cloudflare actually sells domain. Yes, their domain extension is cheap because we know Cloudflare is actually strong. Therefore, their platform is reliable. So Cloudflare is number two. Now, number three is GoDaddy. Now, the reason we are calling it, the reason we are talking about the .com now is because I want to generalize it by the word. So GoDaddy is actually number three on my list. So GoDaddy sells cheap domain name. I actually purchased from them for one of my clients. I could remember Mira, so I purchased for them, and their domain name is cheap. And number four on my list is Danadot. So Danadot is actually another domain name registrar that is actually good and cheap and it's reliable. Now, when it comes to .com.ng, assuming you are in Nigeria, want to purchase .com.ng. Now, there are three most reliable currently in Nigeria, which is the Go54, Q server, and smart web. Those are the three most reliable currently. So if you're in Nigeria, you can use it. If you're using the .com.ng, you could go for Go54, QServer.ng, and smart web hosting. So those three actually sells better. But if you're listening from the .com, then look at GoDaddy, look at Namecheap, look at Dynadot, look at Cloudflare. Those four are actually the top in the world. So I hope that has been able to help you understand the best and cheapest domain name registrar, just in case you're looking for that. Now, I did a video of how to pick a web hosting platform, and I talk about some web hosting that allowed crypto platform and some that does not allow crypto platform, some that allow banking platform, and some that does not allow banking platform. So that video is going to pop up on your screen. And don't forget to hit the video and watch the video to understand the kind of platform you are going to use for your website. So I hope that has been able to suit you and suit you properly. So hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video. So bye for now, guys.